So what's the process of getting it planted and getting it going?
So you need to take your summer grass. The old days we used to tell people scalp it right down to the dirt. We don't recommend that anymore. Kind of give it a good mowing, maybe shorter than you would have normally kept it, and then plant the appropriate amount of a good perennial ryegrass blend seed and keep it plenty wet 3, 4, 5 times a day for short durations. And in 7 to 14 days, you're going to have grass coming up. Once it's up, start ratcheting back the water a little bit. Mow it as soon as it looks like it needs mowed. Don't let it get too long. Get it mowed, then cut the water back a little more. Then after the second mowing, give it a good fertilization and feed it about every 6 or 8 weeks through the winter.
And feed it with what?
There's a lot of options. Everybody's got a lawn food. If you want to go organic, I recommend that, good organic lawn food, but something that's labeled lawn food is your best bet.
And what used to be the farm's choice is now
True Organics.
And that works very, like you say, organic. It doesn't get any more organic than chicken manure.
That's right.
And they've done a great job making it not smell like chicken manure now.
Well, I don't know about that.
Burning it out.
It's still going to have some odor. There's no getting around that. But it only lasts.
Not like it used to be.
Yeah, it's one thing I did do. I fertilized all of my trees, shrubs, everything right before that rain the other day.
Perfect.
But man, that for a day or two, when you do your whole yard and you cover it up pretty good, it had some good odor to it. But as soon as it got water, it got rained.
Hey, you want organic, that's the price you pay.
That's right.